Most AI gives children more screen time. BrightWay turns one real question into something they can build, test, and explain with their own hands. BrightWay is a parent-supervised workshop for ages 5 through 12. One real question becomes one doable mission. The child puts the screen down, then comes back with evidence. The workspace is deliberately simple, no endless chat feed. Riley, our synthetic 8-year-old judge profile, asks, "How can I build a strong paper bridge?" Spark's Quick Mode uses GPT-5.6 Luna. BrightWay shares only the question, age band, and parent-selected project track. The model must return one exact mission object: a short explanation, rationale, materials, ordered steps, adult help, safety notes, and one reflection question. The result is designed to end screen time. Riley can print the mission, start a 15-minute timer, and build with 2 sheets of paper and household objects. Then, Riley returns with evidence, which bridge shape held more. The mission stays clear on a phone. A curated visual appears whenever BrightWay has one for the activity. Optional generated pictures remain off for judging and never block the written mission. Provider choice stays in parent zone. OpenAI, Anthropic, and XAI are ready. Kimi is clearly marked coming soon until its account is funded, so the 4-guide squad remains locked. BrightWay never silently reroutes a child's question to another provider. Codex accelerated the revival by auditing the dormant prototype and helping turn 3 decisions into code: strict GPT-5.6 mission JSON, server-owned parent controls, and deterministic safety gates. It also built 18 regression suites, including 120 adversarial cases. BrightWay makes a different bet. The best educational AI answer is often one a child can put down, build, and understand in the real world.